What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, I got no racing or anything like that today. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how I have my 360 camera mounted on the car. I've been getting a crazy amount of DMs and messages asking me, where do you get that mount? How do you get that view? Some people were arguing with me saying it's a drone. I mean, I don't know where you guys get this stuff from, but all it is a GoPro Max 360, and I kind of pieced together a couple different mounts to make it work. But yeah, so instead of just trying to message everybody back, I'm gonna make a quick video, show you guys how it works and how I get that cool view. And I'll put a couple clips of how it looks on the car and all that stuff. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Just a real quick video, just so you guys can try this out on your car and get some pretty cool footage. So here, I'll show you guys the mount. All right, guys, excuse my garage. Doing house renovations and holidays, my garage is just a mess right now. But anyway, here's my GoPro mount. As you can see, I have the GoPro mounted right there, and it's on a long selfie stick connected to a Delkin dual suction cup mount. Now, Delkin makes a triple that I am going to upgrade to, which will probably give me more stability. I know a lot of people were commenting in my videos saying, hey, you need new shocks. It's really bumpy. No, it's just the pole bouncing around on the car. Believe me, my car's fine. But anyway, this is called a Delkin dual suction cup mount, and this is just an invisible selfie stick that you can get from Amazon for like 10 bucks, I think it was. And it screws in right here. This way it can't fall off. Unfortunately, this thing isn't adjustable. It's either all the way in or all the way out, and all the way out is just ridiculously long. It looks stupid. So I improvised. I used a little bit of duct tape and some zip ties to keep this thing in a position that I wanted it in. Laugh all you want, it works pretty well. And it's been, 150 plus miles an hour in the back of my car, and the camera's been great. It's on there like that. So another key feature is, once this thing's on the car, you have to have the camera in line with the stick. That's it. That's the only thing. You can't have it bent up like that, where you're going to see the pole. It has to be 100% in line with the pole. That's how you get it. So it uses 180 degrees from this camera lens and 180 degrees from this camera lens. That's how it gets the 360. And right where the pole is, it's where both frames stitch together, and it basically makes it invisible. So pretty cool feature. And the GoPro one seems to work really, really well. Really enjoying this camera. So I'll show you how you guys mount it on the car and how it should look. All right, so once it's on the car, it's gonna look a little crazy. It's gonna look just like that. And you're gonna have the camera kind of hanging off of it like that. Sorry about the garage door. I'm getting a new one very soon, don't worry about it. But yeah, besides looking like a crazy person driving down the road with this on your car, I think the footage is pretty worth it. Like I said, make sure this camera is perfectly in line with the pole, and make sure it's mounted securely. Don't come at me if your camera falls off, but mine's been working really well. Like I said, I'm sure there's better poles out there, which I'm going to look into, that work better and they're adjustable. You can play with the length of this and the distance away from the car to get the the right angle and stuff that you want. But that's it, guys. It works pretty well. And once you get your footage in the GoPro app, you have to render it before you put it on your phone, or it's going to look crazy. It's not your iPhone or whatever phone you're using isn't 360 compatible. So yeah, once you get your footage, you have to render it in the GoPro app to make sure everything is right. Have to use these things called keyframes. But if you guys are really into that and want to know how that works, I can make another video if you want. So let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how I get the 360 GoPro footage, and that's how I get my mount to work. If you guys want to see more videos like this going into detail about it, let me know. Maybe I'll do a couple more. But yeah, nothing crazy, just a 360 GoPro with a dual suction cup mount and a pole. That's it. You look crazy driving down the street with it, but hey, I think it's worth it. It comes out really well. So if you guys want to try it on your car, there you go, give it a shot. And if you have any issues with it, send me a message or a DM or something. Maybe I can help you out. But that's pretty much it for now. Stay tuned. I got some pretty exciting stuff coming for the car. More power, got some upgrades coming, and I'm going to test something out for Kong Performance with the blower. So I'm really excited about that one. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it. And thank you guys, as always, for watching my videos and checking in. So I appreciate you guys, and have a great one.